So I have a boy cat and a girl cat, and look at this. The boy is always so close to me. His name's Leo, and her name's Lily. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today it's just a little sit down video with you guys. It's a quick update on my weight loss because I haven't updated you guys in a long time. As you can see, I'm in my bedroom right now. Do not pay attention to the stuff in the background. I know it's messy and there's tape on the window. Long story. Also, my cats are here with me. You can only see one, but there's two. Maybe throughout the video you'll see them move around, I don't know, but they're sleeping right now. I made my super delicious iced coffee. So I just wanted to quickly update you guys on my weight loss. I have hit quite a stall, and I'm not upset about a weight loss stall. I'm actually happy because I haven't gained any weight. I've just been losing weight. Yesterday, oh, I shouldn't say yesterday. Today is the first day in a month since I weighed in at a lower weight than I weighed in before. For this whole month, I was 231.4 pounds. I hadn't gained, or sorry, I've lost weight, but I haven't lost any weight since that video that I have in my channel. You guys should go check it out. It's when I drink a gallon of water for a week. After that video, I weighed in at 228 pounds, and since then, like I said, just go ahead and watch that video. I talk about how drinking water affected my weight, and I gained 3 pounds after that video. But to update you guys now, after that video and now a month later, I now am down to 230.6 pounds. So I'm super happy today that I at least went down and did not go up. I thought, like, I saw my weight for a month now, and I thought, oh my gosh, I need to change my macros, something's not working. I ended up not changing my macros. I kept them the same because whenever I calculate my macros, I used a lot of calculators online, and it said that my macros were correct and they were right. So I didn't want to change my macros, and I was like, okay, let me just give it some time, because I've read that there are weight loss plateaus for up to 3 months. So of course I don't want to be stuck at the same weight for so long, but I was like, let me give it time. I will not change my macros. I'll keep eating the same way I have been eating, and I haven't had cheat days, and I was getting a little worried with my weight not going down. So I just kept doing the same thing. I kept my macros the same. I kept eating the same. I wasn't cheating, and I was like, why isn't my weight moving? So I was like, okay, I'm just gonna keep it the same, see what happens. I'm gonna give it literally a few weeks. That didn't work out because I was getting, I guess, frustrated or stressed, and I ended up waiting a month to see if my weight would change. And like I said, I weighed in on Monday, and on Monday I was 231.4, and I was like, okay, it's been a month and I'm the same weight, and I was like, let me just give it a few more days. This video that you guys will see is posted today, Wednesday. I am now weighing in at 230.6. Yesterday when I checked my weight, I was still 231, and I was 0.2, so I went down that 0.2, and now today down 0.8. So I'm still excited that I am losing weight. I didn't have to change my macros, continuing on the right track. So I wanted to take a lot of pictures for you guys. This is a 3-month update, but honestly, my body does not look that different from someone that doesn't personally know me, or I guess me. My fiance didn't notice any changes in my body, so I will try and insert pictures somewhere here or wherever. I'll try and insert pictures if I can. If not, it's because, like I said, I don't look that different. I will share with you guys my measurements, because my measurements have gone down a lot. What I do is I just take a tape measure and I measure myself, and like I said, it has been going down since I started my weight loss journey. Just like I said, my body doesn't look that different from someone who doesn't know me or from someone just looking at me. I have my little notepad, guys. So when I first started my weight loss journey, my waist was 35 inches. Now it is 31 inches. My hips were 51 inches. Now they are at 44 inches. 8 inches off my hips, which I'm happy about that. My arms, I didn't really measure my arms properly because I didn't start measuring them at the start of my weight loss. I only started measuring them now. So I guess in those past few months, it was at 17 inches. Now they're at 15 inches. And my stomach is now 35 inches, which before, when I did start my weight loss journey, they were 41 inches. So in total, that's about 20 inches off my body. I will come to you guys soon again with a weight loss update. I am keeping consistent. I'm not letting anything get me down. I have not cheated, and I have just been keeping my macros the same and hoping for the best. So far, it is working, and I will keep continuing to do the same thing. The only thing that I haven't been doing, I don't know if a lot of people do this. Let me know down in the comments. I know a lot of people intermittent fast. I can't say the word right now. I know a lot of people do intermittent fasting. I did that in the beginning of my weight loss journey, and I stopped doing that. I don't know how much that affects, but I did continue to start that process again. Yesterday I did 16 hours and then 8 hours eating. I don't actually eat for those 8 hours. I just usually just fast for the 16 hours, and then I eat like one meal or something, one meal and a snack, something like that. You can see my cat in the background now walking around. But yes, so I'm gonna start intermittent fasting again. Like I said, I don't want to lose weight too fast. I just want it to go down naturally and consistently. So far, I hit that little stall, but I'm excited to see what the next week will bring, or the next few weeks in between my weight loss, and I will make sure to update you guys as much as I can on my weight loss. I hope you guys are having a great week so far. I keep a little bit changing up my dates. I think from now on, I will weigh in on Wednesdays, and I will give you guys a video on Wednesday. I think that's how I'm gonna do it from now on. I have been a little bit busy with TikTok. If you guys have not followed me on TikTok, go ahead and follow me there. I just did my first live on TikTok yesterday. It was super awesome. I can't do a live here yet because I don't have enough subscribers. It seems like forever since I came with you guys with a new video, but this, as I said, is going to be my quick weight loss updates, and I will see you guys soon with a new video.